Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically highlight active row in Excel. It's really simple and easy. So start off by selecting the area that you want this conditional formatting to apply. For me, I will just select this spreadsheet, go to conditional formatting and select new rule. Use the option at the bottom to enter a formula, then within the formula bar, enter equals row with opening and close parentheses equals cell, and then the word row in quotation mark surrounded by parentheses. After that's been entered, select the formatting you like to apply. I'll choose this yellow fill, click OK, and then OK again. Now right click the tab you are currently on in your Excel spreadsheet and select View Code. In the VBA editor, ensure to select worksheet from this drop down, then enter the phrase ttarget dot calculate. After that's been entered, you can close out of the VBA editor. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to highlight the active row in Excel automatically. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.